every tile gets a letter, and that will help me keep track of all the pieces as I solve them individually.
I now use these letters to provide
memorize
sort of
the
a roadmap
algorithms that I need to do next.
Order of pieces I need to solve, because a string of, say, 15 letters or so is much easier to remember than a list of complicated algorithms.
So now I have to look at my letters. Keep track of the pieces.
After failing again,
I don't know where I am. And everything I did was just a waste of time.
And again, this happened.
Yes! The first solve.
What I did was I practiced solving the edges blindfolded first, and then I practiced solving the corners blindfolded. So when I put it all together, it just, flowed better, and I had already practiced them separately so I could isolate better. And this is me combining the two in one solve.